First, you're gonna have to measure it. Door handle is missing. It broke off, so you're gonna have to measure that and see how long that is. It's 6 inches. Now I'll grab a screwdriver. This is a Phillips head screwdriver, and remove the screws on the handle. The one. So I'm looking at this one here. The bar is missing. It's already gone. So I need to put a bar right across here on this handle. So I found this from the trash. This is a piece of tubing for the pressure washer that got thrown away already. So this one here can actually fit this one right here. It's a little bit bigger, but I think that's gonna work. So we're gonna have to figure out how to attach this one over here. But first I'm gonna measure this to 6 inches, because that's the distance between these two little handle over here. Alright, so let's do that. Alright, so I'm gonna measure this here, and the measurement should be 6 inches. 6 inches right there. Okay. Then we're gonna have to cut that. Okay, so I already cut this, and gonna remeasure it. Alright, it's about 6 inches, and I also cut 2 of these pieces of bolt. I cut the head off. This is for the because I'm gonna put this one through here, and then in here, and put the glue on it. This is just to act as a reinforcement, so it doesn't come off easily. Just like that, and I'm gonna glue it together. What I'm gonna use here to put these two together, glue this all together, is the heat glue. So I'm just gonna put some glue inside here, then insert this right here like that. We're going to put some glue on this side of the pipe too. We'll fill it up just like that, and then insert this. Like that. Then we'll let it dry up for a few minutes, and then we'll install it. Now we're gonna install the handle. Tricky. So I'm going to do the same thing on this. I'm going to take up this little cup here, and then I'm gonna put that screw through that hole. It's gonna take a little bit to get it through there. There we go. And then through this hole here. Just like that. Now the handle is fixed.